Life, as we know it, comes in all different shapes and sizes, from the tiniest yeast bacteria to the gigantic blue whale. In order to make our lives easier, we have divided all life on Earth into 6 different kingdoms to easily sort them. In this video, we will go over how the kingdoms are sorted and the characteristics of each kingdom. Each kingdom is classified by how life gets their nutrients, how life reproduces, whether life is single or multicellular, and whether life is prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Starting with obtaining nutrients, life can either be autotrophic, getting energy by making their own, such as through photosynthesis, or heterotrophic, getting energy from other organisms, such as through, eating them. Some life can be saprotrophic as well, which is a type of heterotrophs that get energy by absorbing nutrients through processes such as decomposition. Next, life can either be sexual or asexual, meaning they have to reproduce with another individual, or they can just reproduce by themselves. Next, life can either function with just one cell in case of unicellular organisms, or they need multiple cells working together to sustain life itself, in the case of multicellular organisms. And lastly, life can either be prokaryotic or eukaryotic, meaning that they either have no nuclei or have nuclei. Now with that out of the way, let's start with the most familiar kingdom, Kingdom Animalia. Life in this kingdom is heterotrophic, mostly reproduces sexually, multicellular, and eukaryotic. This kingdom is essentially all the animals that we know of, and all of them depend on eating other organisms to survive. With over 1 billion species, this is the biggest kingdom that we have studied thus far. Next, we have Kingdom Plantae, which contains pretty much every tree you can think of. Life in this kingdom is autotrophic, can reproduce sexually or asexually, multicellular, and eukaryotic. This kingdom is essential for life, as they are usually the primary producers at the bottom of the food chain, providing nutrients to animals and other consumers to flourish an ecosystem. Next, we have Kingdom Fungi, which contains mushrooms, and they are not considered plants. Life in this kingdom is mostly heterotrophic, with the majority being saprotrophic, reproduces either sexually or asexually through spores, either multicellular or unicellular, and eukaryotic. This kingdom contains the largest organism in the world, literally called the humongous fungus, stretching out to be 2,385 acres big and weighing up to around 440 tons, or as much as 3 blue whales. Next, we have Kingdom Protista, which contains, you guessed it, protists. Life in this kingdom is either heterotrophic or autotrophic, reproduces mainly asexually, multicellular, and eukaryotic. Yes, seaweeds are considered algae, which are protists and not plants. Moreover, some protists are even considered pathogens and can cause diseases such as malaria. Next, we have Kingdom Monera, which is commonly divided into 2 additional kingdoms, Kingdom Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. Life from both domains reproduces asexually, is unicellular, and prokaryotic. However, Archaebacteria is autotrophic, while Eubacteria can be both autotrophic and heterotrophic. Their main difference is within their cell wall, where bacteria cell walls contain peptidoglycan, while archaea cell walls do not. And there we have it, the 6 kingdoms of life explained. They are sorted by how they obtain nutrients, how they reproduce, whether they are unicellular or multicellular, and whether they are prokaryotic or eukaryotic. I hope that y'all have learned something interesting today. Thank you for watching, and good luck with everything.